In this video, I will show you how to add a cookie consent banner on your Wix site. On your dashboard, go to the Settings tab. Click on Privacy and Cookies. If the site hasn't enabled the cookie banner before, click on Get Started, otherwise you will see the Edit Cookie Banner option. Switch the toggle to enable the cookie banner on the site. For the text and display settings, you have the option to choose the default light and dark themes, or you can customize the color font and other styles for the banner. For this example, let's select the dark color theme. Make sure that you already have a privacy policy page. We will link this page from our cookie consent banner. Let's select the page on my site and choose the page. Review the cookie policy requirements and tick the box below to accept. Finally, let's save and publish these changes.